In this video lecture, we will be looking at if-else statements. If-else statement exists because if-else statement is not enough in Java programming. Therefore, programmers have the ability to extend the decision-making in programming. This is when else-if came in. You have a condition where we check if something meets a particular condition. Else, if it still meets another condition. Else, if it meets another condition. You keep creating else-if, and you go ahead and end it with else. When all these conditions are not met, go ahead and stop this or do this. So you can check many conditions and check out. If nothing happens, you go ahead and stop it. You can terminate the action. Just imagine, in a case where someone is trying an ATM pin for the first time, second time, third time, fourth time, and after like 10 tryouts, she said, you are no longer accepted to this ATM, so please get to the bank and clarify with your issues with them. So this is a case study whereby you can use else-if. There are many other options in programming where you can use else-if depending on what you are building. But you need to know how else-if works. First of all, we have if statement starting this condition. We check if int x is equal to 19. You go ahead and check out if x is less than 20. Go ahead and print out this value is below 20. Else, if the customer puts x is equal to 100, go ahead and print out this is 100. Else, if you receive 80, the machine will go ahead and print out this is 80. Else, if you put something like 50, the machine will print out this is 50. If all these are tried and nothing is met, else the machine will print out this value does not exist in case you just try something that does not align with this. Or you can just put up your time has been exhausted or anything. So when you use else, you've already terminated the action. Let's go ahead and check out this to see how it works. Go ahead and run this. This value is below 20. This is because x is equal to 19. What if we go ahead and put x equal to 100? Come back here and run. If you said this is 100. If we go back and say x is equal to 50. And we go over here and run this, but we say this is 50. And where you go ahead and say x is equal to 700, you go ahead and run this. Let's check it out. This value does not exist. You can see that this value does not exist. So, this is the condition whereby I shake you so many things out. You want to know what this is really. What is the right option? Did you put your right keyword? Then go ahead and execute it. So there are many concepts hereby you can use if-else statement. So in decision making in Java programming, there are lots of options that you're going to use. You will still see many other decision making statements in Java programming that's going to help you out in case you want your system to do lots and lots of jobs. Okay, this is all about if-else statement. If you have any question under this particular lecture. Please do not fail to use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.